Hey y'all, it's me P and I'm back with another video.
How about you? Video. Hi.
As y'all can see, I have my girls with me today in the spider web. We gotta rehang the spider web, y'all. So I told y'all we was gonna do some crafts, and that's what we doing today for Liz's project. She has to do a multicultural doll project, and her person is from the Netherlands. So
And mom had to sign on my duck for animal to dump to my door. I had to see them, and I had to go to another door and move.
yeah, she has a field trip coming up. Shamari is asleep, by the way,
and
y'all.
some
She's
animals
taking a nap.
and mom had to sign the new time said that animals should dump me over to a door, and I did to see them and pet them.
That's really nice. So I'm gonna sign that for her after we are done. Anything you have going on, Riley?
I have a guy to me, I do, and a god.
Ooh, that's fun. I love day school, y'all.
And I got that 18
Love it.
funding.
Very multicultural, very kid friendly, very parent friendly. Love it, love it. So this will be a quick vlog showing us doing this craft, beginning, middle, and ending view of how it looks. And we probably do like another little Halloween craft after this. We have another pumpkin craft coming up, should be tomorrow, for a contest at their school, but that's tomorrow. But today we also gonna do like some baking. We're gonna make something, so y'all stick around to the end of the video to see what we make from the short on our channel and if the kids like it. Okay, y'all, so we have some felt, different color felt here.
I want the pink one.
We don't need all of this. I'm actually about to show you like what the lady wear. So I got some pictures. Hey, how you doing? I got some pictures offline, y'all. This is some collages. I just got 3. I don't like to give them too many choices. And we're going to keep it real original with how the lady from the Netherlands look. I see a lot of navy blue dresses and gold shoes. So for the shoes, we have these. I'm going to cut out some little shoes. It's already, the teacher gave us like a diagram, a paper doll to create the outfit. And she also gave us an example right here. And that's pretty much how they look online. So right now I'm about to go through this to show my daughter and tell her what the Netherlands are about, where they are located on the map and everything. So I'm about to show her that, and we're gonna get right back to y'all.
I wonder where we're baking.
Shamari's up, everybody. You getting your chair? Yeah. We got a little dried up drool. We gotta get that drool, baby.
Mommy,
Look, get some more some construction paper off the table. We're gonna let everybody make one.
okay.
Shout out to Crayola for making these crayons. I always keep a box and hide them from the girls for when I want to do stuff with them. This is a fresh box.
Hey, I saw that before.
I know we had some before and y'all lost every last one of them, per usual. But I'm about to use this to create the doll's skin color. She's getting close to done, so I'm about to color her and give her some eyes and, you know, features. And then we're going to do her hair, and try to wrap it up and get to the next thing we'll be doing tonight. So I'll be right back. You'll be right back. Okay, now you can make eyes and mouth. Oh, I gotta get y'all to be some little cheerleaders.
You got it,
Yeah, tell her hello. Yeah, you could go tell her hello.
Hi.
She wants to meet you. She feels like she's somebody special right now. She got her cheerleader. You want to hug her? Or you want to touch her? She never saw a real cheerleader before. Oh, then you get to see some football players, girl. Look at her face.
Those are my cousins and they play football and I cheer for them.
That's cool. Y'all look so nice.
You gonna be
That's always why they found to see.
They want to be cheerleaders for Halloween now. They didn't know what they wanted to be until they saw her. Yes.
bye-bye.
Oh.
He's so serious.
She's so a cheerleader. Yeah. All right, Coach.
Bye, Coach.
That's what's up. All right, Shamari, come on, finish drawing your
It's
stuff.
so cool.
Your paper? All right, so we are officially done. This is the finished product. That's how she looking, y'all. She got her apron, her dress, her braids. So she's giving Netherlands honey with her gold clogs. You heard me? Let me see what you got, Riley. Riley, you got her purple, girl, that she didn't 100% finish, but it's still cute. She made her face. Let me see. Slow down. Back up. There you go. She colored it, and Shamari have hers. Her dress keep falling off, but y'all saw them children was doing too much, y'all. So now we about to go. I actually cooked gumbo yesterday. I did just a chicken and sausage gumbo. So I'm about to go clean them up. And thank you, baby. Clean them up, warm up some gumbo. We gonna eat, and then we going to start baking. So see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I have the pretzels, and we're about to do this. This their first time seeing them. They never saw them before, so they sitting at the table right here.
Me hold it. Dad hold it? No, I hold it. No, I hold it. Whoa. Oh, who's doing that one?
Me.
Yay. I know.
I'm about to go ahead and open this, and we're gonna read the directions and see what we need to do. I'm gonna let y'all see everything. Now get some sprinkles. Shake it. Good job.
Wow.
It's so pretty, yeah.
Now see what you
So as always, we about to take
Wow.
me
Let me
Yeah. You gotta get some more chocolate for the sprinkles to stick, Riley.
go.
Here, let me push the sprinkles to the middle. Here, put your pretzel down. Y'all double dipping. Oh, Jesus. They like it. I love it. I don't really mess with pretzels. I don't really eat pretzels like that. I don't want any. This is strictly for them. I don't think they want none. They got a good bit left, but that's all they getting is one. I might make the other ones right quick, and but they using so much of the chocolate. I just probably get more. I actually have some more like that in the cabinet. So that's the end of this video, y'all. They say don't say thanks for watching till it's the end, because then as people start clicking off on your video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. I appreciate everybody who been sharing me when I asked on Instagram, and y'all know I return the love all the time. Vlogtober the 18th. You heard me? No. So thanks for watching. And we'll see y'all tomorrow, Vlogtober day 9.